Go.
Hi, I'm Dave Greenbaum, owner of Dr. Dave Computer Repair, and today I'm going to walk you through our safety procedures for our office visits with clients. So when you come to your appointment, go ahead and walk up to this door here. Once we see you at the door, we'll gently prop open the door for you to catch it. And then I'm going to stand away from the door so you may enter and we can keep that 6-foot distance. I will go up the stairs while you will continue on to our elevator. The elevator goes directly to the second floor, and I will meet you up at the top of the stairs for further instructions. Upon the elevator door opening, I'm going to go ahead and maintain that 6-foot distance, and I'm going to direct you to our sanitation station. At our sanitation station, we're going to wipe everything down that you bring with either a 70% alcohol solution or sanitizing wipes, depending on the device. So you'll go ahead and leave your computer there, and I'm going to walk to the bathroom, and I'm going to wash my hands and put on gloves. Now that I've washed my hands and put on gloves, I'm going to go ahead and wipe down your computer. Pro tip, always spray the rag and then wipe down the computer. While I'm doing that, I'm going to direct you to the washroom to wash your hands as well. I'm going to take your computer and I'm going to go into our office here. Now in our office, we do have a HEPA filter that's sitting between us and the client. I'm going to work over here, and a 6-foot distance is right at the chair. Whenever possible, I'm going to hook the computer up to a secondary monitor so you can see what we're working on. When all is said and done, I'm going to have you walk out the door to that station, the sanitation station. And if you have any questions or want to test the computer, that would be the time to do it. When all is said and done, I'll have you retrieve your computer while I maintain that 6-foot distance. And then we'll go ahead and send you an invoice that you can pay electronically on your phone, so that way we remain contactless. We can't accept cash at this time. If you do write a check, we'll go ahead and have you put it in an envelope and seal it, and we'll keep it for a couple days just to make sure everyone's safe. Of course, if you have any questions at all about our safety procedures or have any suggestions for our safety procedures, please let us know. Our #1 goal is to keep everyone safe and healthy during these trying times. Thank you.